What's happening, car detailing pandas? Peter from Panda here. Just bought this. It's from Mother's. You know the brand. It's kind of like a McGuire's. California Gold. This is the value pack clay kit. So it cleans, smooths, and restores your car's finish. It is basically like an eraser for your car's finish, and they are great. I've loved clay bars of all brands, but I wanted to show you what's in this one because this kind of comes complete with everything you need. Now, what it has here is stuff that just falls over. First of all, you get the Mother's Instant Detailer spray. This is a 16 fluid ounces bottle. It's kind of like the size of a Windex bottle, and this is a lubricant, a cleaner. It usually sprays on pretty clear. Oh, it just jumps out of my hand. Good Lord, I can't hold on to anything. We have a terry cloth towel here, microfiber, I think, terry cloth towel. And then what we have is also 2 clay bars. And now you can see how big they are. And these things are awesome. And they are clay, but they're nice and uniform. And what you'll do is you'll just spray on some of this in a spot on your car's finish, right on the clear coat, and then you'll use the clay bar. You'll kind of want this as flat as possible. It'll work itself flat if you kind of are rubbing it on there, but you don't put any weight on it. You just kind of run it around on the sprayed area as a lubricant, and it picks up everything, and you can feel it after you're done how smooth it is. There's just no grit. There's none of that tiny little particulate. It just it's amazing, right? I mean, even if you think your car's pretty clean, if you haven't clayed it in a year or two, you're going to feel and notice the difference. So these are really great. All I wanted to do is a quick unboxing here to show you how much stuff you get in this Mother's kit here, and it's really just great. So whether you're an amateur and just doing it in your garage, or you want to do a professional job and kind of pick it up as a side hustle, more power to you, brother. Mother's California Gold clay kit. Check it out. I'll put a link to the description. Peter von Panda out.